Guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install OneDrive on your Mac. Now for this, open App Store on your computer. Now once you open App Store, in the search box type in OneDrive and then search for OneDrive. Over here you can see OneDrive over here, so you can click on this download icon and let the download complete. And once the download is complete, you can click on open. Now over here, if you already have a Microsoft account, if you already have OneDrive account, you can just enter your Microsoft email and password and log in. If you don't have it, you can create and then you can start using OneDrive. You can always search OneDrive in the you can go to Launchpad and you can search for OneDrive and then you can launch OneDrive. So this is how you can download, install and use OneDrive on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.